Alright. This is my first actual video. So we got the Giant and the medium plane coming in. I don't know what's that one. We got an Giant A320 coming out. We have crosswinds. It's very windy and there's a thunderstorm coming, so I'm trying to get here as fast as I can. Shoot, too windy. Oh, another Giant. Another one. This could come in from Indianapolis International Airport. And I want to tell you, sometimes we are gonna blind spot at at MIA International Airport. And the other one could head there to Indianapolis too. What happened to it? This is 737. This charter plane, I don't know what is it. Oh, it's coming out. Airplane's out. Alright. We got the airplane coming out. A guy in A320 can head to Indianapolis or other destinations. The only one I can know is Indianapolis Airport. It's the only destination I know that goes from West Palm Beach. It's an A319, not an A320. There he goes. A Velo just started flying to this airport, but there's no Velo right now here. I might do a short for that. Goes the Giants. Alright. Okay, bye guys, because there's no more planes. Bye.